Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, there is a continuous downfall and this downfall has come after making a high of around $10. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a huge volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas and a green candle is trying to form. So chances can be high. Suppose if this level sustain, it can go further high and a probability of going towards 2.68 is there, and then further upside. Till the time it is not crossing a level of $3, we will not see that it can go further upside. But if it crosses that $3, then we can see it can go further high. But if it crosses and goes further down, then it can make a new lower. Okay, so what you can see, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular trend. There is a continuous downtrend we have seen after making its new high. That means suppose if this is the high, it makes a new high and a sharp fall comes. Okay, this is being repeated for quite some time and this is the fifth time we have seen this has happened. Okay, so chances can be high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, so it can go further low. Chances are high, yes, it cannot sustain. A probability is very high. It can touch a level of around $2037 to a level of $1.926. Okay, keep this in mind. Once the price fall below that particular level, it can touch a level of around $2.095, and if that level also didn't sustain, then chances of touching $2.018 is then. Once it move below this level, then we can see a level of $1.968 to a level of 1.873. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can move further low and a probability of going towards 1.821 is there, and from there we can see level of 1.771. okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, it can move further low and a probability of going towards $1.706 is there, and from there we can see level of $1.643. okay, keep this in mind. Once the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low and a probability of going towards $1.536 is there, and once it fall below that level, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a green candles are also forming and a red candles are also forming. Okay, and there is a good volatility but in a range bound market. Okay, suppose if the price form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, so probability can be high that it can cross a level of $2.25, which is already a weak resistance. So chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2.79. okay, and if that level goes further upside, it can cross a level of around $2.646, which is already a weak resistance. Chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 2.79. okay, and once the price goes above that particular level, it can cross a level of $3. okay, so once it sustain above $3, chances of going further high is there, because there will be a trend breakout, a zone breakout will be there, and we can see a level of $3.281 to a level of 3.5, and once it sustain above 3.5, chances of touching $3.918 is there, and from there we can see it can go further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.